So good morning everybody, Carlos here, recording my trailer video for today's running with the birds, or running for the birds, I think that's what I'm going to call it. This is the Feltham Trail, and very soon I'm going to be at the duck pond. Today's episode is going to be 2 stops to feed the ducks. I brought some barley from my brewing process and some steel cut oats and a few bran flakes to feed the ducks with. Very soon I'm going to have to take a right. No, I'm going to have to bear right and then take a left. This is the bearing right. Now I'm recording audio. Taking a left onto the path. Pretty soon I get to my turnoff, when I will stop the recording of video. My trailer is now being recorded. Zone 4. This is my left. Pretty soon I'll be in Bow Park. They don't like me getting too close when they're eating. There's some more ducks walking on the ice. Wow, there's a bird with a nice looking headdo. I think that must be a female widgeon. Alright, so enough of this pond. I have to save some food for the King's Pond. So this is Mackenzie Avenue, the famous footbridge and Brayfoot Elementary School, where the kids, although they had a day off yesterday, they are still enjoying the snow today. I'm getting closer. I'm about 1 kilometer away from King's Pond. As I take another walk break, I won't go across the middle of the field there. The kids are playing, and it's quite a sensitive topic these days with elementary school kids and strange looking adults. I don't want to spook anybody. I will stay on the designated path even though you can't see it. And with all this snow, let me just flip the camera around so I can say bye-bye to the video crowd. There he is. Okay, bye-bye. So back to video. This will be the clip of all clips. The clip of me feeding the ducks at King's Pond. I can already see them up ahead. They're getting excited. They know I'm coming. Let me just slow down a little bit. I'm getting excited too. Frenzy. I won't go where he is because he's got those guys covered. I'll try and draw my own little crowd of feeders.
Workout average pace 10 minutes 24 seconds per kilometer. Zone 3.
A real feeding frenzy going on, eh? You can't hear? Alright. Let's see if I'm lucky. So that's it. No more seeds.